QNT continues to hold above a key area of support above the $78 and also above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which are both acting as support for us to continue gearing up even higher. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas, also give you areas of support that you need to continue holding, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, giving you reasons why we can easily see more than a 10x in this bull market. And starting the video here on the 1-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September. You can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, breaking through key areas of resistances, flipping them back into support in a move that has now given us a high above the $80.8. And at the time of this recording, we are now attempting to see a break above that significant high that we made yesterday. And the moment we manage to break above that significant high, then I will be expecting to see QNT give us another push to the upside in a move that can easily get us back above the $85 and also above the $90, where we have our next key areas of resistances. We also need to have in mind that in case we don't see that push to the upside and maybe the bears take control of the market, then we need to continue holding above these ascending trend line that I have here on the charts. Because if by any chance maybe we see a push and maybe break to the lower side of this ascending trend line and also lose key areas of support, then that will be the first indication that we have started to see a change of structure of this upward movement that we have been seeing for the past few weeks. And that could be the start of a short-term pullback that could last for the next few days. And if that is the case, using the highs that we have at the moment, then we can use the Fibonacci's, pulling the fibs from the lows that we made on the 6th of September to the highs that we have at the moment, giving us a minimum target area into the golden pocket that lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $65.5 and the $68.5, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. And also remember that this target area will shift in case we get another push to the upper side. So in case we get another push, you need to adjust the Fibonacci's to the latest high that we make in the markets. So the golden pocket is the area to watch out for in case of any sudden pullbacks, but as long as we are holding above key areas of support, holding above the 20-day MA, also holding above this ascending trend line, there are very high chances that we are going to see another push to the upside, back above the $85 and then the $90 as our next target areas. And that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis. You can see that after getting our bear market lows below the $40, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure in a move that peaked above the $229, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that Elliot wave count 1, we saw a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, an area that you have now fully maximized, and there are very high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming days, we could easily start another bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliot wave count 3 above the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $355.7. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 4, then finally expect another leg to the upside in an Elliot wave count 5, taking us to new all-time highs and possibly giving us more than a 10x to the upside based on the current prices that we have at the moment. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.